Hi friends, I'm going into Target to check out the Hearth and Hand spring line. All right, so I seen these last time. These are the eucalyptus. I think they're so cute. I love them. They come in two sizes. $32.99 is the big one, and the little one is $24.99. I like those. I love terracotta pots anyway, and I love eucalyptus. All right, and I found these cute little wooden bud vases. $8.99, $7.99, and $6.99. They're really cute. You could put them on a tray all together. And there's another vase with the eucalyptus stem in there. Very pretty. Another white vase. I found some pillows. My two favorite colors, that green and then yellow. Very cute, this pillow. See how much it is. $24.99. I love it. I love the yellow. They're so cute, both of them together. I love those two colors. I love a tassel, a welcome sign, a welcome mat. All right, and then a Magnolia magazine. I actually have that magazine. Large fiddle leaf tree. It's huge. In a terracotta pot. Let's see how much it is. $99.99. It's beautiful though, guys. All right, some more pillows. Love these pillows. It says Bloom. I love the material. I love the pinstripes, the stripes at the end. This is a eucalyptus wreath. And then they have these wreath holders in this color. They usually have them in black. That's like a silver. All right, more vases. Wooden vases, really cute, and they have white vases. And then I love these trays. They look like pie trays. They come in 3 different sizes. This is a big wooden vase and some white vases. This is cute. This is interesting with those little holes in there, rectangle holes. That's a little one. All right, let's just look at some of the stems, the flower stems. These white ones are so beautiful. I love to see them all together. And then they have some green, which is pretty cute to add in the flowers, the yellow flowers. And they have these little like pointy, I don't know what they're called, but they're cute. More eucalyptus stems. This has a little pink in there. That's really pretty. All right, I like this light. All right, now let's check out the kitchen towels with that green again, which I'm loving. That one's pretty. And then they have this one, black and white. That's a pretty design. They're $9.99. This is a pot holder. It's pretty too. There's a lot of goodies in here. It comes with two different designs. Let's see how much this is. Oop. $8.99 for 2. Not bad. All right, I like this wooden spoon rest. And then they have some flour sack kitchen towels, $3.99 each. Very pretty patterns. They have variety, stripes. Very pretty. It looks so cute like that, all in that little galvanized bucket. So fun. All right, then they have some ramekins, really pretty. Magnolia table, her book. I have her cookbook. All right, then I found some jadeite cake stand, which is cute. And then I found napkin rings. They look like cement kind of. All right, and then I found a big long jadeite tray, $19.99. This one's beautiful. And then I found some napkins in that green color. It doesn't show up in the camera, but it's $9.99 for 4. All right, and then this is a cupcake stand, but I like to use those for candle holders too. You don't have to just use it for a cake stand. You can use it for any kind of stand actually. Look how cute all three of them together. All right, I found this. This is biscuit tray. So cute. She loves her biscuits. I just love it. It's $39.99. And then this bowl is so pretty. $24.99. I actually have this cake stand with a galvanized bottom, but it looks really pretty in the white. All right, then they have some, I haven't seen these, some gray. They're so shiny, gray bowls. Gray trays with a white bottom. Very pretty. They're really heavy. And then a canister that goes with it. Very pretty. And then she has her bedding. I love these lights. Thinking of getting it for my boys' room. I don't know, when I just see it, I think of my boys' room. $49.99. They're really pretty. It's a beautiful quilt. Joanne's favorite. $27.99. Her sheets. Very pretty organic sheet sets. They're a little pricey, but they feel really great, guys. I felt them. I love the pinstripe. This is really beautiful. This duvet cover. Just look at the detail. It's a beautiful quilt. $79.99. I think they're all different sizes, but king is different. All right. I'm trying to see the prices, but and then they have pillowcases, separate ones. $26.99. I love this lamp too. It's very pretty. Nice brass lamp for an office, anywhere really, your bedroom. All right, more quilts. This one's really beautiful. It's like an off-white. A very beautiful detail, very soft. $59.99 I think is for the twin. So probably like $80 is for the king. Let's see. Yeah, $79.99. Linen cotton sheets. I'm telling you guys, the sheets feel so soft. Great material. All right, more. This is like a bed skirt. Linen blend. This is a duvet cover. This one feels really soft too, and it's a very neutral color. And here's a comforter set with the stripe. It's really pretty. That's a nice one for my boys' room too. How much is that? That's how it looks. I like the little like X's in there. All right, now I found some Easter stuff. So fun. Look how cute that is. That's like a pull-along bunny. The ears are so soft. Then I found these little cute stems in this basket. Very springish. They have jump ropes. $6.99. Very cute. And then they have this Easter egg hunt kit. It's so cute. It tells you where to start and where to finish. Very adorable. You can use that every year. $14.99. It's fun for the kids. And then they have some gardening supplies in this canvas. It's so pretty. Watering can in there. It is $19.99. My kids used to love to play with those. All right, and then I found two baskets. Let's see how much it was. $9.99 for that one. Same price on that. They're very pretty. Two different designs. And they have blocks for the kids. Very cute. I like the little canvas bags. $19.99. This is how it looks. All right, so before I go, I just want to show you guys what I picked up from Hearth and Hand. All right, so I picked up the honey. So cute. Has that little wooden spoon in there. The little lid. This is really adorable, and it goes with the creamer and the sugar that I have. I actually have the salt and the pepper one too. So this looks great together. So I like this little honey one. It's really cute. All right, and then I got these 2 spoon rests. I got the wooden one and I got the jadeite one. So that's really cute. I just love jadeite. So, oh, and then I got the salt and pepper shakers from them. If you remember last year, I got all the jadeite. I got the other salt and pepper shakers too. Let me show you. Here are these right here from last year. But the ones this year are pretty big and I love the shape so much better. And I also have like the dessert bowl and the little plates. I got those last year, so that's why I collect this green from her. So yeah. And then I got these napkins because I think it looks really pretty with the green stuff. So, you know, I love to do tablescape, so I always pick up napkins. These are really pretty. I like the frayed edges. So this is the pink version of the green. So you can't buy it in store. Not yet, I think. I don't even know if they're going to bring it in. But I got this from online on Target. And these are the little cupcake holders. This is the only ones I picked up because they're always sold out online. You can just check it out and you'll see. You know, they have the napkins like this in a pink, which are always sold out. That's what I'm waiting to get. And what else do they have? Oh, they have the bowl. They have a few things in this pink. So it's really pretty for summer and spring. All right. Okay, so that's all I picked up today. I need to go and get the big tray. I didn't pick that up, the green one, and actually the bowl. So I will be going back for those, but this is what I picked up tonight. That's it. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share my video, tell a friend, and let me know if you like the green stuff from Hearth and Hand. So, and let me know if you do collect it too. All right, I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye.